Hey guys, so what we got here is a 42-inch Canarm Monet Ceiling Fan. I got this in 2016 from someone at a place, from somebody at a place I worked at. I volunteered at.
As you can clearly see, unless you're colorblind, this fan is in antique brass.
Yeah.
It has like oak blades, and you can probably see that the front right blade is warped.
Yeah.
I'm not sure how it came like that, but I guess so.
Yeah.
Fan is gonna wobble though, which is
Yeah, we tried this out. This fan
the
wobbles.
blade arms are straight as it could be.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's from March 2001.
Yeah.
Without further ado, I guess you could just turn on the lights.
Alright, this is the light kit here.
3 CFL bulbs.
Yep.
And we're gonna go to low.
Yeah. Here's low. Alex has one of these in
I found one of these in white from the trash. It came flush mounted. I got it for free from the curb.
Yeah. This is a fan I've been wanting to test for a long time now.
It even came with its mounting bracket, which is cool. But I have a Canarm Murano, which is the exactly the same thing as this, but with a different light kit.
Oh yeah.
And my Monet is much later, and this mine's from June 2007.
Yeah, and we mentioned it's in white.
Yeah, it's in white.
This one's an antique brass. All right, is it time for medium?
Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Do it.
Starts to wobble a bit on medium.
Yeah, it's gonna wobble.
Yeah, you can see the wobble a bit on camera. The wobble looks harder on camera, off camera, like if you see it in person.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's probably wobbling a lot more
It's
than.
not wobbling that much.
But on high, it starts to wobble more.
Alright, put it on high.
Alright, here's high speed. Yeah. It's really wobbling hard.
Hard.
Hard. Yeah. You can see on camera. It probably looks a lot worse in person than camera.
Maybe, yeah.
Well, usually with wobbly fans, that's what it looks like.
Unless if it's like super wobbly, then I guess there's no difference.
Yeah. Airflow. It blows a lot of air.
Oh yeah?
I mean, it's probably decent, but.
Let me go there too. I'll say it's decent. I'll say average.
Yeah, it's average, yeah. So it blows a lot.
I'll say it's more average.
Alright, so we'll do spin down.
Yeah. Fourth fan of the night.
Yeah.
Third for you.
Third for. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, originally when I got this, I was gonna floor test it, but then I discovered that some of the screws on top are a little worn.
Alright.
That they can't come off.
Pull the reverse chain.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, the pendant for the reverse chain is missing. Can't remember if it came that way or if I had it and I just lost it. I took it off and lost it. I don't think so. I can't remember. It's been a long time. It's just been sitting here for years.
For 8 years. You're like in my frame.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm trying to look at my own camera.
Well, you can look from like there from a distance. Yeah, one of the blades is just straight up like warped as heck.
Yeah, I didn't really notice that. I don't know if it's because it's been inside with a bunch of other blades.
Is there like a heater or something that like warped it? I don't know.
I don't know if it came that way. It most likely did.
It was setting on its blades for like years, and then yeah.
Yeah, and now it's back up again.
After 8 years.
Yeah.
Time flies, eh?
Yeah.
This is just like an average 5-blade 3-light fan, looking fan. It's like.
Oh, I actually forgot to show the fan and light on together, did I?
You did not, which well, I guess. Put it on high reverse and turn the light on at the same time too.
Alright, here's high reverse. Yeah, it wobbles a lot as well on reverse.
Yeah, turn the light on.
Yeah, I forgot to show the fan and light on together. Alright,
Medium.
here's medium.
Yeah, average medium.
Yep.
That chain, the reverse chain clicks on the fan.
Yeah.
Alright, low. Alright, I guess you could stop it.
Yep. I'll just turn it off now.
I'll stuff it by hand. Alright, that's it.
Alright, well.
I just need to move a little bit because I can't get to my camera.
God.
Just. Alright.
Sorry.
Well, that's it for this Canarm Monet and AFT brass. Hope you guys enjoyed it.
Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe to Alex Fanman and Brendan Johnson.
Yep, that's it. Thanks for watching. Remember to
Alex
comment,
said.
rate, and subscribe.
Brendan said.